Hey everyone, I am so excited to share with you the new Norwex products that launched August 2024. These are mainline products, which means they're going to be in our catalog long term. They're going to help us clean better, take care of our pets better, and also we've got some awesome skincare. Why don't we start there? So we've got a new Brightening Vitamin C Serum. I use this in the morning. It's so good before the rest of my other skincare. So this Brightening Vitamin C Serum gives us a daily dose of vitamin C to brighten and firm and help protect our skin against premature aging and also environmental stuff. So the key ingredients, of course, we have vitamin C, knocks it out of the park. It improves our skin's firmness. Look at those capsules. The radiance, the glow, while reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It also has ceramides, which actually plump up fine lines and support the skin's natural barrier. It has vitamin E and raspberry seed oil, which protects against free radical damage and also prevents accelerated aging. It also has, look at these, Hops Extract, which lightens dark spots and decreases hyperpigmentation. I just bust one of these open, put it on my skin, let it absorb, and then do the rest of my skincare. Next, we have this smoothing Bakuchiol Serum. I can't wait for you to try this. This is so good. This product is fantastic for reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and improving skin tone and texture without the harshness of traditional retinol. This is your natural plant-based alternative to retinol, guys. The key ingredients in this are bakuchiol, a natural alternative to retinol. As I mentioned, it smooths fine lines and wrinkles, gives us a filter. It also has Fennel Extract, which is rich in vitamin A, C, and E, and it rejuvenates and boosts our radiance. Also, the vitamin E, which I love vitamin E on my skin. I always have. That provides us with a really good antioxidant protection. It also has black currant, which is a very powerful Nordic antioxidant that's like food for our skin. Okay, let's move on to cleaning. We have the new tub and tile cleaning attachments. So this is for our home care, right? These are great. I have been using them. They are perfect for keeping our bathtubs, our shower tile surfaces clean without any aches and pains, because not only can you use it handheld, you can put it on your Norwex mop. So it comes with two different attachments, which is really nice to customize our cleaning, like whatever our problem is. So the bristles are for our tough cleaning task. And the microfiber pad is gentle, like for an effective scrubber, right? They're both made with recycled materials. This reminds me a lot of the Enviro Scrub, which has for years, it's been my number one scrubber for bathtub and tile cleaning. Okay, you're going to get excited. We have the Duster Enviro one with a dual-sided duster. So this is so good because it holds on to the really fine dust and dirt, like think of, I don't know, pet dander, all the things that are really coat our surfaces. They're bendable like our other traditional Enviro ones. These are a little thinner, so you can get in some tighter spaces. They do have backlock. But again, these are great if you just find that you have a lot of really fine dust particles. Great for cars, blinds. Even this mini one would be great for a dorm room. Okay. I know you're going to be excited about this. This was on limited edition a long time ago with Norwex. This is our Duster Mop Pad. It comes in this beautiful heathered graphite. So the Duster Mop Pads are really perfect for keeping our floors dust and pet dander free. I use mine daily. I've had it for over a year. It does such a great job at picking up all the dog hair and things like that. I have a husky. He sheds a lot, lots of pet dander. These have been game changers. It works on static electricity. It holds the dust and particles. It's great on hardwood, tile, linoleum, and of course, it's made with recycled materials. All right, I mentioned my dog, right? So what do we have for our fur babies? So the first thing we have is a pet stain and odor remover concentrate. This is specifically designed for pet stains and odors. So this concentrate, what it does is it breaks those things down at the source without any harsh chemicals. It's powered by enzymes and probiotics for a really thorough clean. So think pet urine, maybe vomit, all the things that us fur moms have to deal with. This is ultra concentrated. One bottle makes 6 ready to use forever bottles full of cleanser. So this is scented with a natural essential oils of citrus scent, which is really nice, nothing harsh. We also, speaking of scents, we also have a dog deodorizer. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is for fresh fur. Okay, so this deodorizer freshens up our dogs without any synthetic fragrances at all. It is so good. It has probiotics in it. Those control the odors. And it's also pH formulated for our dog's skin. So we can use this when they're a little bit smelly and there's no rinsing required. It's actually good for their coat. You just spray and go. Speaking of cleaning those coats, we also have a 2-in-1 dog shampoo and conditioner. How cute is that label? This is in the Royal Berry scent. This product is designed for our furry friends, for their well-being. It gives them a gentle and effective clean. It moisturizes their hair and their skin, and it conditions the dog's coat, which is so nice. This is also pH formulated specifically for dog skin. It leaves the fur feeling soft and conditioned. It's also dermatologist tested, so there's nothing harsh in here, no harsh chemicals, and nothing that's going to irritate their skin. All right, let's keep talking pets because it's one of my favorite subjects. So the next item we have is the pet doormat. Okay, it comes in this graphic. It is a plush mat that helps keeps our floors clean by trapping the dirt, the mud, and the debris from either shoes or paws. But it's really pretty. It also has a slip-resistant backing, keeps dirt, chemicals, and allergens, and even water. So think like snowy days, rainy days from entering our home. It features backlock, which is our micro silver for self-cleansing. So good. I actually am hoping to get a second one of these to put it under my dog bowl. All right, next up we have a pet towel, which is great. It's no fuss drying, right? So it makes bath time a breeze. Look how cute that is. It is designed for our pets. So you put your hands in these little pockets and dry them off. It's so good. Ultra absorbent microfiber. It instantly and effortlessly, I will say that, soaks up the moisture. It also has backlock to keep it fresher longer. When this is wet, when mine is wet, I just hang it to dry. Look how cute that is. This is really nice. Like this could be great for small dogs, but I have a big fluffy furry dog, right? So this is so helpful to me when I am giving him a bath, dries off his fur so well. So I really hope you're excited about these new products as much as I am. Thank you for watching. I hope these items make your life and your pets cleaner and easier. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.